Keeping your address up to date on Okappy is crucial for seamless business operations. Let's quickly guide you through the process. First, update your company profile. This is what your clients and partners see. It's easy to update. Follow our step-by-step guide from our support site if you need a hand. Next, revise your job templates. If you don't already have a header on your template, the details will be picked up from your company profile. Adjusting your job templates is simple with our guide. Don't forget your invoice templates to keep your billing details up to date. Edit your invoice template effortlessly. Follow our instructions if you get stuck. Update your email signatures too. It's a small but essential detail for consistent communication. Customize your email signature easily with our helpful article. Don't forget, each employee will need to update theirs themselves. Last, please let us know your new address. We'll update our records and ensure our invoices to you are correct. Visit Okappy today to keep your business details accurate and professional. For more information, check out our support articles at www.okappy.com/support.